Want a garden that grows bigger, healthier, and with fewer problems without spending a ton of money? Today, I'm sharing 10 gardening hacks that actually work. These aren't myths, just facts. These are real. Proven tricks used by gardeners all over the world. If you're into gardening tips that are practical, tested, and fun, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to grow better. 1. Coffee grounds for acid lovers. Sprinkle used coffee grounds around plants like roses, blueberries, and hydrangeas. Coffee grounds slightly increase acidity, improve soil structure, and attract earthworms in nature's soil tillers. Cooking water fertilizer. Next time you boil vegetables or pasta, save that unsalted water. Once cooled, it's packed with minerals like calcium and magnesium, basically a free plant boost. 3. Cinnamon for seedlings. Prevent seedling diseases by dusting cinnamon over the soil. It's a natural antifungal that stops damping off, which is a fancy term for baby plants keeling over. 4. Marigolds for pest control. Marigolds aren't just pretty, they release natural compounds that repel certain pests and even attract beneficial pollinators to your garden. 5. Eggshell calcium boost. Crush dry eggshells and add them to the soil, especially for tomatoes and peppers. They add calcium, which helps prevent blossom end rot, a common garden heartbreak. Banana peel fertilizer. Bury chopped banana peels near plant roots for a natural potassium and phosphorus boost, perfect for flowering and fruiting plants. 7. Grass clipping mulch. Grass clippings make an amazing mulch. They lock in moisture, suppress weeds, and feed the soil with nitrogen as they break down. Vinegar for weeds. Skip the chemical sprays, plain white vinegar zaps small weeds by drying them out. Just keep it off the plants you love. 9. DIY self-watering bottles. Make a self-watering system with an old water bottle. Poke holes in the cap, fill with water, and bury it near roots. It slowly releases water where it's needed most. 10. Flowers for pollinators. Mix flowers into your garden to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. More pollinators mean more fruit and better harvests for crops like cucumbers and tomatoes. And there you have it, 10 gardening hacks that are simple, cost almost nothing, and actually work. Try a couple of these this season and watch your garden thrive. If you found this helpful, tap that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which hack you're trying first. Happy gardening!